Good evening, my friend, and welcome. Tonight, you are leaving behind the noise of the world, the busy streets, the glowing screens, the endless thoughts moving through your mind. All of it can slowly drift away now, because tonight, we travel somewhere peaceful, far away from stress, far away from hurry. Tonight's sleep story begins beside a quiet ocean town hidden along the northern coast of America, where soft waves roll endlessly onto the shore, where pine trees move gently in the cold night wind, and where warm lights glow quietly through wooden cabin windows beneath a sky full of stars. Before we begin, make yourself comfortable. Allow your shoulders to relax. Soften your jaw and gently breathe in and out. Very good. There is nowhere else you need to be tonight. Nothing more you need to solve. The day is over now. This is your time to rest. As you continue breathing slowly, imagine a cool night breeze moving softly across your thoughts, carrying away stress, worry, and noise. You are safe here, warm, comfortable, sleepy. And now, our story begins. Tonight we travel to a quiet little place called Pine Harbor,